Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Bro
Good
Fit.
evening.
bro.
Hello, Sis Lydia. Hello, Sis Brigigis. Hello, Sis
Hello.
Nia. You guys, welcome back to our class again. So, guys, how is it going? Is everyone great today? Guys,
Today is
hello.
great day.
You are great. Hey, you're great today, Brigigis. Sounds great that you're always fun and great. Okay,
As usual, still
as usual.
rainy
Oh, yeah?
with rainy.
Okay, yeah, the weather is rainy. It's the same here in my place, but you just the weather is funny. It's not totally rainy, it's just a drizzle. Okay. Well done, Prodigious. Prodigious, where are you? Are you still in your working place or
No,
just at
I'm
home?
at home.
You're at home right now.
Yeah,
Nice. Wow,
finished
great
from
job.
my work.
Wow, that's great, Prodigious. You just take yours after this though last time. Okay,
Thank you, Bro
Prodigious.
Fit.
So how was your working today, bro? Was
Mm,
it great?
doing good
Doing great though. Nice,
as
Prodigious.
usual.
As usual, Dalila. Keep going, Prodigious.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Okay. This Lydia. Today's or maybe you said you don't really feel well. It's because you just got recovery from your six. Okay, so what about right now? Is it better your condition, Sis Lydia? You good? I finally you're so good. Sis
Bro.
Lydia, yeah, your voice is like
Yeah.
lagging. We couldn't listen your voice
Oh,
clearly. Yeah. Maybe you can
uh,
just
yes.
tune off your microphone, your camera. Maybe it's okay. Tutup aja sih biar suaranya dengar jelas. Lydia, halo.
Hello, bro.
Oh, that's good. So, what about your condition right now, Lydia? It's better.
Um, my condition
Mm-mm.
has started to improve.
Mm. Okay, so
Alhamdulillah. Although
Alhamdulillah,
my
that's good.
legs still hurt
Oh,
family.
I see. Oh, I see. Okay, so I hope you will get recovery soon, Lydia. Do you still need to control to the hospital to doctor again, Lydia?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, so keep going to the yeah. Always keep your
I,
whole as always. Okay. Well, hello, Sis Good evening, Sis
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Good evening, Profi.
Okay, Sis how is it going?
I'm great, bro.
Great today, though. How is the weather, Sis?
Uh, the
Is it
weather,
rainy?
the weather is rainy, bro.
It's raining. The same here, Sis Wow, nice. Okay, thank you so much, Sis Well, Sis Aima, what about you? Is everything okay?
Yes.
Yeah, is
Um,
everything okay? Oh, really great. Sounds great that you're always okay. Well, nice as Aima. So, guys, hello, Cecilia. Hello, Cecilia. Guys, welcome back to our class, and we're going to start the class while waiting others. Good evening. Welcome back to the class with Speaking Partner.
We are
We
the best
are.
partner.
Okay. What's password?
Smile.
Hi.
Thank you so much, everyone. So nice. Well, guys, before, yes, today is our 14 meetings. So it means, okay, yeah, tomorrow will be our 15th meeting, everyone. It's on Thursday. And we just continue learning our topic anyway. Hmm? Okay. Yesterday we talked and learned about the grammar, how to use verb and verb if there is two verb in one sentence. So we just find it, we just move it. The second verb is gerund or to infinitive. That was yesterday. And for today will be the reading time again. We're going to talk about the culture of English itself is a native in Europe or maybe in America, okay? And that should be about holiday. The specific time is a Christmas Day. It's a close to holiday time. Karena kan di bulan akhir gitu guys, ya, di akhir-akhir bulan Desember itu pasti hari libur ya, holiday time. It's a long holiday. So everyone gets a holiday, I think. Okay, and to celebrate maybe us not maybe as Christian they will celebrate maybe Christmas Day. As normal one, maybe they will celebrate New Year, something like that. So everyone will get a holiday on that day. So that's right. That's our topic for today, everyone. So let's get started. Here we go. The specific time is about the Christmas. Christmas is one of the best events in Europe, everyone. Okay, Christmas Day is Natal. So today we need to talk a lot about a Christmas Day for this time, everyone. We don't have the vocabularies, we just have a reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we just have a 7. We have a lot reading time. It's about the history. The first topic is special day. Why Christmas Day is special days. And the second is decoration. Dekorasi. And family and friends. What about the family and friends? It's about the food and presents or gift, or maybe parties, pesta, and that is all about, you know, the culture that people as a native English do when they celebrate the Christmas Day. So wow, this is our topic, everyone. So guys, if you want to read, just raise your hand first and I will ask you to read, okay? It's about the Christmas. Okay, the first is a special days. Hari yang spesial for the first time. Teman-teman semua tetap membaca ya, tapi yang Bro Vicky panggil hanya yang dibuka yang Bro Vicky panggil, giliran yang angkat tangan. Semuanya tetap membaca. Well, the first I want to go with is Aima. It's the first one raising hand this time. It's a special day. Let's go, sis Aima.
Special days. It's that time of the year for family, friends, and cheesy Christmas music for many people. Christmas is quite simply, as an old pop song says, the most wonderful time of the year. For others, it is an exhausting exercise in bad taste. So, what does a British Christmas involve? Christmas in a celebration that lasts for several days. In the UK and many other countries, the main celebration takes place on Christmas Day, 25 December. From the Christian origins of the holiday, this day marks the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas Eve, 24 December, is the time for last-minute shopping and preparations, present warping, and maybe a drink in the pub. Others will be at home preparing food for the big day or at a midnight course. Gimana ini ya? Church. Oh yeah, church service to welcome Christmas Day, Boxing Day, 26 December. It's also a national holiday in the UK, a necessary one of many to recover after eating too much the day before. Shops are usually open on Boxing Day and the week after Christmas sales begin.
Wow, so nice, Aima. Thank you so much for reading this. Really nice reading. Well, guys, let's talk about this as a special days. Is that time of the year for family, friends, and choose Christmas music. Hari, ya guys ya, hari inilah saatnya atau hari di mana keluarga, teman-teman, dan juga musik Natal yang sangat-sangat cheesy. For many people, Christmas is a quite simple. As an old pop song says, the most wonderful time of the year. Untuk banyak orang, hari Natal ini adalah ya hari Natal secukupnya atau simple-simple aja teman-temannya. Oke. Seperti hanya yang dibilang sama lagu zaman dulu, ada the most wonderful time of the year. For others, it is an exhausting exercise in a bad taste. Untuk yang lain, bisa dibilang hari yang sangat melelahkan karena merayakan ya. Okay, so what does the British Christmas involve? Yang termasuk atau yang dimaksudkan atau termasuk hari raya bagi orang British itu kayak gimana sih? So, Christmas is celebration that lasts for several days. Dirayakan beberapa hari teman-teman ya. It's not only one. In the UK and many other countries, UK atau di negara-negara lainnya, the main celebration take place on the Christmas day 25th. Is Aima? Tanggal itu menggunakan ordinal number 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. So, what date is the day? Sekarang tanggal berapa, guys?
13.
13th.
13.
Nah, ada 13. Ada
13.
TH-nya. 13th. Kalau misal tanggal 25 berarti 25th.
25th.
25th. Oke, tanggal. Urutan guys, tanggal.
Yeah.
25th December. Nah, tanggal 25 Desember, teman-teman. From the Christian origin of the holiday, this day marks the birth of Jesus Christ. Oke. Kalau orang ini guys ya, orang asal Christian, ya hari ini ditandai dengan hari kelahiran si Yesus Christ. Christmas Eve. Pokoknya ada kata Eve, itu pasti malamnya. Malam tahun baru, oke, malam Natal, malam hari raya, pokoknya Eve itu guys ya. Christmas Eve, hari hanya itu tanggal 25, berarti malamnya, sebelumnya itu, malamnya tanggal 25 itu namanya Eve. Christmas Eve, malam hari Natal. 24th December, tanggal 24 Desember, is the time for last minute shopping and preparation. Present wrapping and maybe a drink in the pub. Pub. Okay, is Aima? Okay, it's a pub. Jadi tanggal 24 itu hari terakhir ya teman-teman untuk belanja, untuk persiapan, bungkusin kado, ya guys ya. Dan juga minum-minum di pub. Other will be at home preparing food for the big day or at the midnight gereja, church service to welcome Christmas Day. Yang lain mungkin ya akan menyiapkan masak-masak ya, so ibu-ibu gitu guys ya, masak besar. Sama kayak hari raya gitu guys ya. Masaknya besar-besar tuh ketika hari raya malamnya pasti. It's the same. Yang lain ke gereja untuk merayakan ya itu guys hari Natal itu sendiri ya. Welcome Christmas Day. Boxing Day setelah tanggal 25 setelah hari H+1 gitu ya. So Boxing Day 26 December is also national holiday in the UK. Nah, di sana itu bisa libur sampai 2 lama ya liburnya tetap sama ya, tapi tetap 26 itu tetap libur teman-teman di sana. Itu disebut Boxing Day. Kenapa disebut Boxing Day? Ini guys, it's also national holiday in the UK. A necessary one for many to recover after eating too much the day before. Ya, untuk hari recovering gitu guys ya. Setelah makan banyak, setelah pesta-pesta, capek pasti recovering. Okay. Shops are usually open on Boxing Day and the big after Christmas sales begin. Makanya toko-toko ketika Boxing Day itu pada buka semua. Makanya orang-orang pada liburan, orang-orang dapat angpau gitu guys ya. Sama aja guys, belanja kemana-mana. So that's why we call it Boxing Day. Okay, that's it everyone. This is the special day. Why is it special day? Especially in the British ya, for the UK itself. Decoration. Yang namanya Christmas pasti dekorasi, dihias guys ruangannya. And Sis Lydia as the second one. Come on. Okay.
Decoration
Yep.
from
Decoration.
Hugh Cities. Sorry, I
Yeah.
stopped off my camera.
That's correct, sis.
Decoration from Hugh Cities to Tiny Village. The month of December still sees buildings and street covered in colored lights, red ribbons, and smiling Santa Claus face, people also decorate their houses and sometimes their gardens for the Christmas period. The most famous decoration is, of course, the Christmas tree, a pine tree covered in little tiny decoration and fairy lights. Some people put a nativity scenes in their house. This is a collection of little figures who represents the birth of Jesus in Bethlehem.
Thank you so much, Rosita. So nice. Look at this, everyone. It's decoration from huge cities. Untuk mau bilang besar, itu gak hanya big aja, teman-teman. You can just say huge. Itu kayak persamaan katanya gitu ya. From the huge cities until tiny villages. Tiny, kecil. Dari kota-kota besar sampai desa-desa kecil, terpencil. The month of December sees building and street covered in colored lights, red ribbons, and smelling Santa Claus faces. Ya guys ya, di bulan Desember itu pasti bangunan-bangunan itu tampak di jalan-jalan juga pasti dihiasi yang namanya lampu-lampu warna-warni, pita-pita yang warna-warni, pita merah gitu guys ya, dan juga ada muka Santa Claus yang senyum gitu. People also decorate their house. Orang-orang juga mendekorasi rumahnya. And sometimes their gardens. Halamannya juga. For the Christmas period, selama periode Christmas itu. The most famous decoration is of course the Christmas tree, pohon Natal, is a pine tree. Ya guys ya, pohon Natal itu guys. The pine tree covered in little shiny decoration and fairy lights. Ya dihias gitu. Some people put the nativity scenes in their house. This is collection of little figure who represent the birth of Jesus Bethlehem. Okay, so it's just decoration. Makanya itu kenapa kok menghias-hias ketika Natal, teman-teman. Family and friends. Keluarga, teman-teman, kayak mana? Si Sarlia, it's your turn. Please read that.
Okay, thank you, bro. Family and friends. Christmas is a time to be with the people you love. Often this involves traveling to your hometown to be with parents, siblings, cousins, or friends, etc. For some households, it's the only time of the year when all the family is together. In the UK, this is usually a time for cats,
Cats. Mhm.
cups of tea, and watching Christmas films together. However, it can also lead to the occasional family tension, but don't worry, there are plenty of impossibly cheerful pop songs to help everyone relax.
Great job, Sister Leah. Thank you so much. Okay, well, guys, it's a family and friends. Christmas is a time to be with the people you love. Ya, pasti ya. Hari Natal itu hari di mana kita bisa kumpul sama orang yang kita cintai. Often, seringnya, this involves traveling to your hometown to be with parents, sibling, cousin, old friend, etc. Mudik, guys. Dia juga pulang kampung, guys. Involves traveling to your hometown. Ketemu sama orang tua, ya guys ya, saudara-saudaranya, lamanya, atau teman-teman lamanya. Pokoknya kayak mudik ke kampung halaman juga. For some household, beberapa rumah tangga nih, it's the only time of the year when all the families together. Ya, karena hari ini hari di mana semua orang bisa kumpul jadi satu. In the UK, di UK sendiri, this is usually a time for chats, ngobrol, chit-chat, ngobrol gitu guys. Okay. Cups of tea and watching Christmas film together. Minum secangkir teh dan juga ya Christmas film together. Nonton film bareng-bareng. However, it can also lead to occasionally family tension. Ya, pasti bakal menimbulkan tension karena kan pesta ya, minum-minum dan sebagainya. But don't worry guys, there are plenty of impossibly cheerful pop songs to help everyone relax. Ada lagu yang bikin tetap relax teman-teman. Okay, so this is a family and friends. Okay, jadi pulang kampung juga kayak di sana. And the next, food. Yang namanya pesta, perayaan, hari besar pasti ada makanan. Okay, so well, Sisling, that's your turn. Food, Sisling. Yeah.
Okay. Food. Christmas meals vary across households, but the most common Christmas dinner in the UK is a roasted turkey with vegetables and potatoes. This may be accompanied
Mm-mm.
by stuffing made with bread, onion, and herbs, and pigs in blankets,
Mhm.
sausage, wrap, wrap it
In.
in bacon or pastry, and of course, delicious mince pies, little sweet cake with fruit inside. This is, of course, a fantastic if someone is cooking for you.
Mhm.
If you if you if you are the cook, you may feel under a little pressure as the extended family start arriving for dinner.
Oh, great job. Thank you so much, Ling. So really great job. Okay, well, the next everyone, look at that. Food. Christmas meals vary across household. Ya, makanannya guys ya sangat bervariasi di setiap rumah tangga, setiap keluarga. But the most common Christmas dinner in the UK is a roasted turkey with vegetable and potatoes. Yang sering atau khasnya makan malam ketika hari raya atau hari Natal itu guys di UK itu adalah roasted turkey. Apa guys?
Ayam
Ayam ayam kalkun. Ayam
kalkun.
kalkun, ayam kalkun kalkun panggang teman-teman dengan vegetable sayuran dan potatoes kentang. This may be accompanied by stuffing. Ya, ada beberapa isian juga teman-teman. Made with bread, roti, onions, and herbs. And pigs in blankets. Apa sih pigs in blankets? It is sauces wrapped. Bahasanya wrapped. Sebelum ada P dibaca T. Wrapped. Sauces wrapped in bacon and pastry. Ya kayak bacon, daging-daging gitu guys ya. Digulung jadi satu, sauces, pastry, ya seperti itu. Namanya pigs in blankets. Bukan berarti pigs pigs bisa dibilang dagingnya terserah ya, bisa daging babi, daging meat, ya istimewa. And of course, delicious mince pies, little sweet cake with fruits inside. Itu lebih ke dessertnya teman-teman. This is of course fantastic if someone is cooking for you. Ya pastinya kalau kita dimasakin. If you're the cook, maybe as mother, as a wife, ya yang perempuan ya, you may feel under little pressure as the extended family start arriving for dinner. Kalau semua keluarga besar datang gitu, guys, kita masak besar, pasti capek juga sih. Okay, so it's the same actually, the tradition in our country. Okay, so this one is the food. Well, the next everyone is present. Pasti ada hadiah. Okay. Well, the next is Sophia.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you,
Sure.
Vicky.
Mm-mm.
Presents. Christmas is certainly the most wonderful time of the year for retailers. The days and weeks before Christmas are characterized
Characterized.
by frantic shopping for presents. Many groups of friends or workmates take part in a secret Santa group. This is where each person buys a small present for one other person in a group. But the identity of the giver is never revealed. In many countries, Christmas Eve is a night for kids to go to bed early before their house is visited by Santa Claus, a magic man in a red suit who leaves presents for all the kids in the house.
Wow, great job. Thank you so much, sis.
Welcome.
Sophia. Okay. Well, look at this, everyone. It's a present. It's a hadiah, teman-teman ya. Christmas is certainly the most wonderful time of the year for retailers. Hari Raya, hari Christmas Natal ini teman-teman, ya tentunya menjadi hari yang sangat indah, sangat ditunggu-tunggu bagi penjual retailers. Ya pasti guys. The days and weeks before Christmas are characterized by frantic shopping for presents. Guys, sehari atau seminggu sebelum hari Natal itu pasti ditandai dengan wow, semua bakal belanja, shopping untuk yang namanya hadiah. So, many groups of friends, teman-teman of workmates, teman kerja, take part in secret Santa group. Ya, ikut konteks secret Santa group. What is that? This is where each person buys a small present for one another person in the group, but the identity. Bahasanya identity si Sophia, the identity of the giver is never revealed. Revealed. Yep, that's right. Apa sih Secret Santa Group itu? Itu adalah sebuah di mana orang-orang itu beli hadiah, teman-teman nanti dikasih sama random gitu guys ya, kita ngambil gitu ya teman-teman. Yang orang yang ngasih yang punya itu nggak boleh disebutin gitu guys ya. Jadi kita random dapat gitu. Kita ngasih bukan ngasih ya, pokoknya random gitu yang kita ngambil dapat, nggak tahu siapa yang ngasih gitu ya. So in many countries, Christmas Eve is a night for kids to go to bed early. Di beberapa negara bagi anak-anak ketika malam hari Natal itu malam di mana anak-anak itu harus tidur lebih cepat ya. Kenapa? Because their house is visited by Santa Claus. Rumahnya itu bakal dikunjungi sama Santa Claus. What is Santa Claus? A magic man in the red suit. Sophia, suit pakaian.
Red
Suit, ya. Who leave present for all the kids in the house, yang meninggalkan hadiah. Yang maksudnya itu Santa Claus-nya itu is just like it's not Santa namanya Santa Claus, tapi itu ya orang tua kita sendiri ya ngasih hadiah untuk anak-anaknya ya sebenarnya. So this is like disebut Santa Claus gitu guys. Oke, biar anak-anak suka. It's just like a legendary gitu. Oke, so this is a present everyone. Pasti ngasih hadiah. The next guys we have parties. Party, pesta guys. So we have Sismanzo.
Okay,
let's
thank you,
go.
Brophy.
Sure.
Apart from dinner at home with family or friends, Christmas is also a time for parties. At school, children often do a Christmas theater performance or sing Christmas carols in concert, then have a party with sweets and cakes. For adults, most workplaces usually have their Christmas do. This can be a dinner in a restaurant or just a few drinks in a bar. At workplace parties, many romances have started under the mistletoe, a special plant which people hang from the ceiling. If you meet somebody under the mistletoe, the tradition is to kiss that person.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, Sismanzo. Well, it's a party. Pestanya kayak gimana? Beberapa. Apart from dinner at home with family or friends, ya guys ya, selain makan malam bareng sama keluarga, sama teman, Christmas is also a time for parties. Ya, hari Natal pasti juga waktu untuk pesta. At school, di sekolah nih, children often do a Christmas theater, pertunjukan teater gitu ya, performance, or sing Christmas carols, paduan suara, kayak konser, then have a party with sweets and cakes. Ya, habis itu party, makan-makan dengan sweets, permen, or cakes, kue. Itu untuk anak sekolah. For adult, orang dewasa nih, most workplaces usually have their Christmas do. Mereka juga sama, rayain juga. This can be a dinner in a restaurant or just a few drinks in a bar. Ya, makan bareng di restoran atau minum-minum di bar. At the workplace, di workplace tempat kerjanya, kantornya gitu, ada juga parties, guys, party atau pesta juga. They call it, many Romans have started under the mistletoe. Itu kayak sebuah tradisi bukan tradisi, mainan di sana gitu guys ya. Yang sudah menjadi tradisi gitu. A special plant which people hang from the ceiling. If you meet somebody under the mistletoe, the tradition is to kiss that person. It's like a game actually. Untuk dilakukan kebanyakan orang di sana di kantor ya, di teman-teman lah guys. Oke. So this is the parties. Jadi sudah pesta di sana. Oke. Well, the next everyone, I think this is the last part. Bro Jijis,
Okay.
masih tahu saya tadi sebenarnya.
Mm.
However,
However, you celebrate Christmas. For many, it's a time for having fun and spending time with the people you love.
okay.
Plastic decorations and neon Santa Claus faces might be considered to be in bad taste by some people, but without them, it simply wouldn't be Christmas.
Oh, great job. Thank you so much, Bro Jijis.
You're welcome.
However, okay, guys, however, you celebrate Christmas. For many, it's a time for having fun and spending time with the people you love. Pastinya ya, having fun, ngisi sama orang yang kita cinta, ya keluarga, teman, dan sebagainya. Plastic decoration and neon Santa Claus face may be considered to be in a bad taste by some people. Ya, pasti penanda, teman-teman. Dekorasi Santa Claus itu pasti kayak penanda. Kalau tanpa ada tanda-tanda itu, ya itu enggak atau bukan Natal. Maybe it's like in our country, maybe guys ya, kayak ada tradisi kalau nggak Marjan berarti belum Ramadan. Oke. Ya, penanda-penanda seperti ini juga ada sih di sana guys. So it's the same everyone. Okay. Wow, that's it everyone. So this is our topic everyone. Okay. So we just have talk and learn about the tradition, especially the celebration in UK as a British for Natal at the Christmas Day, guys. So what about you? Maybe you guys, you celebrate this Christmas, or maybe you don't celebrate it, but you have a friends, you have a family or neighbor who celebrate this Christmas. Is it the same like in this article? Sama apa teman-teman? Okay, so you need to go home, like you celebrate with your friends, with your family, something like that. You make a gift, you have a party, you eat like this, or maybe it's the same. Okay, so what do you think? So that's why we need to discuss a lot about this. At the breakout room later, you can discuss about this, everyone. Do you celebrate Christmas? Ayan, got any guess? If so, how is your celebration different from what is described in the text? Apa bedanya sama yang dijelaskan di deskripsi tadi? If you don't, kalau enggak, tell us how do people you know celebrate it. Ya, jelasin teman-teman orang-orang yang merayakannya. Mungkin teman, tetangga, saudara, maybe teman-teman. So, mereka ngapain? Okay. Is it considered common to exchange gift between friends? What do you think, guys? Penting gak sih, guys? Oke. Selalu tukar hadiah sama teman. Kalau konteksnya ini udah a gift, mulai 3 ke bawah nih teman-teman, ini sudah konteksnya kita generalin aja, kita umumin aja. Jadi yang penting gak kontesnya Natal ya, kayak ke hadiah aja gitu teman-teman. Oke. Jadi menurut teman-teman gimana nih guys? Kalau menukar hadiah sama teman. What is the best gift you have ever received? Hadiah terbaik teman-teman pernah terima apa? Kita kontesnya general ya, hadiah apapun, ulang tahun atau apapun. What is the best gift you have ever given? The best gift, hadiah terbaik yang teman-teman pernah kasih. What would be a best gift for a woman? Menurut teman-teman, hadiah terbaik untuk wanita itu apa sih, guys? Okay. And what is the best perfect gift for money? Oh yeah, is it good though?
Dewawi.
Okay. What is the perfect gift for a man? Kalau laki-laki, guys, menurut teman-teman apa? Okay. What is the best gift for our parents? Kalau hadiah untuk orang tua, teman-teman apa kira-kira nih? Okay. So you can just talk about a gift for this time. Okay, guys, yeah? So have fun. We still have more time to practice and talk a lot about this, guys. Anyone has a question before we talk and learn about this? Especially discussion and breakout room? Nope. Okay. So well, guys, just continue during the breakout room and discuss about the Christmas and about the gift. Ingat, ketika gift, make it general. Hadiah apapun, teman-teman. Hold on. It's like, I make it 5. Nanti berarti ada yang ganjil, teman-teman, nanti ya. Okay. While maybe with okay. So okay, we'll make it like this one. Okay, teman-teman, you can just join the prayer costume over there and practice your ring is 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours. Good luck. See you there. So guys, welcome back to the main room. Thank you so much everyone for practicing today. That was not a great and also that's conversation you have to talk about gift. Okay, and also talking about your parents actually where you live, another thing about the celebration, okay, and your own celebration, if anything, and that was really nice. I do appreciate that. And the next, I would like to ask one of you to have 1 minute challenge. And I think for today, I want to
Sisling.
go.
Sisling.
Sisling. Yesterday was not you though.
Ingat aja sih, Bros.
Oh iya, Bro
Kawan.
Salehan. Thank you for reminding me. Iya,
Thank you, Bro
Sisling.
Selehan.
Go Sisling, go.
Well, okay, so Sisling, you had a great conversation with Bro Gigi, Sister Leah.
Yeah.
So it's good for you to have 1 minute challenge though. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1
Yeah.
minute. 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Brafik.
Sure.
Yeah.
In the breakout room, I
Okay.
discussed with Sister Lia and Bro Gigi's about how I celebrate Christmas, and Sister Lia tell about Eid Mubarak because she don't celebrate Christmas and she don't have friends or family who celebrate Christmas. And some like Prodigies, when Christmas is come, he usually go to his friend's house. How his friend house who celebrate Christmas, and uh and and we have other fun discussion topics. Apa lagi ya? Because I'm Christian, I told they about what I do or prepare where welcoming Christmas. I told uh that before Christmas I usually prepare home decoration such as apa tadi ya?
Pine
Such
tree?
as a
Christmas
Christmas
tree?
trees, Christmas balls, or Christmas lights.
Mhm.
And I also thought the habits I do during Christmas, such as serving food and drinks on the table for my family or friends who come to the house to enjoy.
That's great. Thank you so much,
you.
Sisling. It's almost 2 minutes. Okay, well,
Oh,
thank you so much. Do appreciate that. Really nice to listen your conversation and that's explanation from Sisling. And anyway, Sisling, Sister Leah, she doesn't celebrate. Not she don't celebrate.
oh iya, ya ampun.
Yeah, she doesn't
Yeah,
celebrate.
thank you.
Sister Leah doesn't celebrate. Nah,
Yes.
that's it everyone. Okay,
Iya,
well
iya.
guys, I would highlight here satu nih guys, teman-teman bilang gini, saya harus gitu ya, saya harus merayakannya, saya harus memberikan hadiah gitu. Harus, gimana cara bilang harus guys?
I could
Have to.
Have to. Nah,
have
teman-teman
to.
tetap pakai have to kan? Nah,
Oh,
I have to. Hold on, ini improvisasi break nih. I have to. Saya harus memberikan hadiah kepada orang tua saya. I have to give. Hadiah itu boleh gift as like a British or presents as like American. Soalnya sama teman-temannya. Gift. Gift. Gitu guys ya. Oke. Nah, itu hadiah. Contohnya gini. Saya harus memberikan hadiah. I have. Oh, bener guys. Bentar, berpikir warna merah aja biar kelihatan. Oke. I have to give apa gitu kayaknya teman-teman. I have to give. Nah, saya harus. Kalau tidak harus, ini I have to give itu kan kalimatnya negatif teman-teman. Positif maksudnya. I have to give kalimatnya positive sentence. Kalau mau bilang if you want to change it in negative sentence, saya tidak harus memberikan hadiah, berarti gimana guys?
Happen to give.
I haven't.
So then,
So, I don't
I don't have.
have to
have to
give.
give.
Iya, pakainya don't have. Persis konteksnya kayak simple present. Pakai do, does, guys. Nah, we cannot say I haven't, tapi I don't have, gitu guys. Have-nya itu kayak have, has, simple present perfect, simple present gitu guys. Sama. I have to give a gift or a present. I don't have to give a present. Do I have do I have to
Do I have to?
give? Apa nih? Do I have to give? Apakah saya harus? Do I have to give? Gitu guys. Oke? Itu mau bilang harus, tidak harus. Kita nggak boleh bilang I haven't to give. Oke? Begitupun juga teman-teman kalau pakai he, she, it. Kan ada have to sama has to. Dia harus memberiku. Gimana guys berarti? She has to
Has to
give
give
me. She has to give me
money.
apa ya? Money. Boleh. She has to give me money. Nah, teman-teman mau bilang gini, dia tidak harus. Gimana berarti? Pakai doesn't. She doesn't. Nah, she doesn't have to. Have to. Kembali ke have to, guys. Kayak tambah SAS itu loh, guys. She doesn't have to give me apa. Kalau kalimat interrogatif, teman-teman, lewat pertanyaan nih, apakah dia harus memberiku?
Doesn't
she?
Does she
Have to
have to give
me apa gitu, teman-teman. Loh, kok kenapa nggak pakai have, has lagi? Sama guys, karena udah ada does ya. Oh, ini kurang S guys, sorry, typo. Ini doesn't, does. Ada S-nya ya, doesn't. Oke, guys. Okay. Doesn't. She doesn't have to give. So for example, itu konteksnya bener-bener kayak SAS di simple present. Misalnya nih, dia mencintaiku. Berarti gimana guys? He love, ada S-nya kan? He loves me. He loves me. Kalau kalimat negatifnya he doesn't. S-nya hilang kan teman-teman? S-nya hilang kan? Nah, love. Kayak gitu kontesnya. Makanya she has to give me, she doesn't have. Kembali ke have. Karena udah ada does-nya di depannya. Gitu. Kayak gitu kontesnya. Oke? Got it everyone? Okay. This is if you want to say have to. Don't forget, kita nggak boleh I haven't to give my my parents. Gitu. Okay. So well guys, this is our topic for today. It's a nice conversation you had on the break costume. Anyone has a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih guys teman-teman?
Bro,
Ya, Aima gimana?
kalau aku nggak punya gitu, I don't have or I haven't.
I don't have, nggak punya. Karena have itu guys, have atau has. Oke, itu bisa berarti banyak ya teman-teman. Yang pertama jenis have itu berupa ini guys. Apa itu? Verb kata kerja. Ya, yang artinya memiliki. Contohnya tadi nih, saya punya buku, I have a book. Saya nggak punya buku, I don't have a book. Have yang itu sebagai verb kata kerja Sis Aimah. Oke? Tadi ya, oke ya. She has a book. She doesn't have a book. Itu. Sebagai verb kata kerja, have, has ini. Yang kedua sebagai auxiliary. Auxiliary. Itu kata bantu. Oke. Sebagai kata bantu. Dipakai di present perfect. Saya sudah makan. I have eaten. Iya. I haven't eaten. Gitu guys. Itu auxiliary, kata bantu. Yang kedua sebagai same, similar expression of modal atau modal tadi, have to itu tadi guys. Oke, yaitu berupa have to
Siom.
atau has to. Siomnya nih, similar expression of modal. Ini kembarannya si must gitu guys, have to. I have to, she has to, kayak gitu. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang saya tidak memiliki, pakainya have-nya itu berarti verb I don't have to. Itu. Oke, bisa Ima?
Ya.
Got it?
Bro,
Oke.
halo bro.
Ya, sis.
Kalau
Ya, bro.
kalau must bedanya sama have penggunaannya gimana, sama
Oh,
aja atau gimana?
Mas itu kembarannya sama kayak dulu Bro Vicky jelasin di kelas sebelumnya ya teman-teman.
Oh iya.
Ya,
Lupa
Mas,
berarti.
Mas gak apa-apa Bro. Mas gak apa-apa lupa guys. Kita belajar berulang-ulang gak apa-apa Bro. Oke, bukan. Oke, Mas di teman-teman pelajaran kemarin lupa itu ditanyakan lagi gak apa-apa loh guys. It's no problem. Ini namanya kita ya kita kan harus belajar berulang-ulang terus ya. Gak mungkin satu kali udah selesai. Ya kadang lupanya. Oke guys ya. It's no problem. Okay. So must itu katanya harus. Berarti lebih ke kewajiban gitu, bro. It's too formal. Itu terlalu formal gitu, bro. Makanya ada casualnya siom. Similar expression of modal. Must itu 100% harus dilakuin. Oke, kalau have to 50-50. Artinya tetap sama ya, harus. Makanya kalau mau bilang casual, pasti orang banyak kan pakai have to, has to. Has to. The common use gitu. Oke, bro.
Ya.
Have to
Thank
juga digunakan sebagai siom ya, membantu misal nih. Saya harus bisa. Tetap ya, I must be able to. Ya, nomor kayak gitu, bro. Oke. Intinya siom must sama have to sama lebih formal ke must, have to lebih casual. Dan juga kalau persenannya must itu 100% wajib harus, kalau siam itu lebih 50-50 gitu. Oke?
Yeah.
Got it, yeah? That's good, everyone. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. And that's our topic for today. Anyone has a question again? Aman ya? Okay, so guys, tomorrow is our 15th day. So in the beginning of our class tomorrow, yeah, we are going to have listening because once in a week we have listening. So if you want to join listening, so you just join the class very early, okay, in the beginning of our class. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. That's our topic before we end. Anyone wants to give the riddle or maybe the quote of today? Kata-kata hari ini? Anyone? Or maybe just a riddle? No?
Oh,
Maybe
Bro Solehan.
Bro Solehan. Okay.
Yang melamun ya.
Quotes of the day,
Solehan,
bro.
the
Quotes of the day.
Kan hari ayah, guys. Kemarin nih. Hari ayah,
Kan?
Bro Solehan. Oke, Bro Solehan. Siap nih? Oke.
Nggak siap-siap ini.
Bro Solehan lagi cari dulu, guys. Di ChatGPT. Oke, Bro Solehan. Udah ketemu? Belum ketemu. Oke. The quote of today. Kata-kata hari ini, Bro Solehan.
Hari ini adalah
You can say anything. It's like jangan lupa napas, guys.
Oke. Kata-kata
siap
hari
ya?
ini.
Belum ya? Siap ya, bro? 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini, Bro Solehan.
Today is the new opportunity and the time for study and grow up.
Yes, that's correct, everyone. Wow, that's lovely. Thank you so much, Bro Solehan. And that's really great, the quote of today. Thank you for coming, everyone. This is our topic. Telah saya say, speaking Bojni!
We
are
the
best.
What's password?
Smile.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Good night.
Bro Fik.
Brofik.
Ya.
Sis Jasmine.
Ya,
bentar.
kenapa?
Apa nih?
Belum.
Speaking Bojni!
You're the best.
What's password, guys?
Smile.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you so
Have a great
much.
day.
Have a nice dream.